Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can request a refund for Roblox items that you purchased accidentally. So the first thing that you will have to do is go ahead and look for roblox.com/support, and once you're here, you will just basically fill out all this. So of course your username and then your first name and your email address, and then just confirm your email address. And what you will have to do is uh you will basically just uh, type in or select the device tab that you are having problem on. So for example, let's say PC, and then you will just have to look for the category type that you're dealing with, and then you will click billing and you will select billing and payments, and then for the subcategory type you will look for this, which is I want to report an unauthorized charge or request a refund, and then you will basically just have to uh specify the item that you want refunded and of course your reason. So make sure to clearly describe your issue, and then you will just have to submit your request and Roblox will review and respond, and it would usually take within about a few business days. And yeah, you will have to check your email or your Roblox notifications for updates. And by the way, refunds are not guaranteed, and Roblox has really strict rules for refund eligibility. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.